Septic systems can totally make or break your home's plumbing vibe, so knowing how to keep yours running smooth saves you big headaches and cash. Okay, so here's the deal with septic tanks. First, don't treat it like a trash can. No flushable wipes, grease, or harsh chemicals, because they mess with the natural bioprocess that breaks down waste. You gotta get your tank pumped every 3 to 5 years depending on your household size and usage. That keeps sludge from clogging things up. Regularly mowing over the drain fields is important, but avoid heavy machinery or planting deep-rooted trees nearby, because roots can wreck the pipes underground. Also, conserve water inside your home. Less water means the system won't flood and cause backups. If you notice slow drains or weird smells, don't ignore them. That's your septic system waving a red flag. Keep records of inspections and pumping dates so you don't lose track. Finally, educate everyone in the house about what's okay to flush or pour down drains to keep everything healthy. One of the biggest mistakes with septic systems is ignoring maintenance schedules, which leads to costly repairs or even full replacements. So set reminders and stick to them. Another common issue is overloading the system with too much water at once, like doing 5 loads of laundry back to back. Spacing out water use helps the drain field soak it up properly. A third mess up is planting trees or shrubs too close to the drain field, causing roots to invade pipes and cause blockages or leaks to stick to grass or shallow root plants instead. Fix these by scheduling pump outs on time, spreading out heavy water use during the day, and choosing landscaping wisely around your septic area. BigHomeProjects.com is a super handy site that connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to septic systems and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by matching them with clients who need their skills, making it a win-win for everybody involved.